Alright, this is Jeremy with USA Sports Breakers. Tonight we're going to open up a double box of Absolute Basketball. My little stand broke, so I'm using my big tripod. I'm going to buy a new one tomorrow. But same old thing. 4 packs, 4 hits, 8 total. We'll just start unearthing everything here. And we'll get them going. Alright. Here we go. First pack will be an autograph. Carmelo, Rudy Gay, Gallinardi, Rick Smith retired to $9.99. Autograph for the Grizzlies on card, Jarrell Martin. Jarrell Martin on card autograph. This also will be an autograph. Wow, okay. Tyreke Evans, Paul Pierce, DeAndre Jordan. Rookie number to $9.99 of Jahlil Okafor. And R.J. Hunter. We just pulled a booklet of him in the multinational in a multi-sport. R.J. Hunter autograph. All right. Out of this case, I don't think so. I mean, we only have I don't know. I've got about 6 or 7 loose boxes. I think they were from a fresh seal case, so I'm not sure. Oh, well, guess what? Guess what I just hit? The glass. For the Timberwolves. I'm sorry, no. Duh. It's funny you bring that up. There it is. Kevin Durant. Thunder. Come on, focus. It's funny you say that. In the very next pack, we pull it out. That's so funny. It's like, I don't know if we did or not. Kevin Durant. Thunder. Glass. Well, there you go. There's your answer. For the 76ers, autograph. No, it's not an autograph. Sorry. Iconic number to 99. Tony Kukoc. Now, the next thing you need to say is, T.J. McConnell, rookie. Where's that logo man? Okay, that's a fatty. We'll save that one to last. We're on the box 2, but we'll save the fatty for last. Paul George. Some guy I can't pronounce. Sean Kemp, $9.99. Scottie Pippen, $9.99. Oh, Karl Anthony Towns. Karl Anthony Towns. Autographed jersey to 149. Boom. How about that? How about that for a $12 investment? I'm not sure who had the Timberwolves, but they're going to be pretty happy with that. Yeah, that's a keeper. Apparently there were no trades. Frank Kaminsky, $9.99. Number 299. PJ Tucker, autographed jersey, Suns. Keep going around. John Havlicek retired, $9.99. For the Hornets, Jamal Mashburn, number 99, Heroes. Last 2 packs. This is kind of a fat one. Hopefully it's a patch. If not, you know this one's going to be something nice. Dude, what do they make this stuff out of? I know it's not plastic. Kyrie. Bill Russell, $9.99. For the Hawks, number 99, Jeff Teague. Okay. Now for the big one. Yeah, that's a keeper. Number to 49 for the 76ers. 6-time patch of Jahlil Okafor. Come on, focus. Six-time patch of Jahlil Okafor. Wow. See what else we had hiding in here. Retired Wilt Chamberlain, $9.99. All right, guys. I'll get this video up as soon as I can.